Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning some essential English vocabulary related to everyday places. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, this video will help you expand your vocabulary and improve your English skills. So, let's get started. Our first word is park. Park. A park is a peaceful outdoor area where people can relax, exercise, and enjoy nature. Some common words associated with parks are trees, grass, benches, playgrounds, and jogging trails. Next, we have library. Library. A library is a quiet place for studying, research, and borrowing books, with shelves, reading areas, computers, and helpful librarians. It provides a convenient environment for learning and exploration. Moving on to museum. Museum. Museums preserve and exhibit art, history, and scientific collections, showcasing paintings, sculptures, artifacts, and interactive displays that provide insights into different cultures. Now, let's talk about restaurant. Restaurant. In a restaurant, professional chefs prepare delicious meals for you to enjoy. You will find menus, tables, chairs, waitstaff, and a variety of tasty dishes to choose from. Our next word is school. School. Schools are educational institutions where students learn various subjects. Inside a school, there are classrooms, teachers, students, desks, whiteboards, and libraries. Moving on to hospital. Hospital. Hospitals provide medical treatment and care, with doctors, nurses, patients, beds, medical equipment, and various departments like emergency rooms and operating theaters. Let's now explore the shopping mall. Shopping mall. Shopping malls are buildings with stores, boutiques, and entertainment options. Inside, you'll find shops, escalators, food courts, cinemas, and various products to buy. Next, we have the movie theater. Movie theater. A movie theater is a place where you can watch films on the big screen. Inside a movie theater, there are seats, a screen, projectors, popcorn stands, and an exciting atmosphere. Moving on to gym. Gym. A gym is a place where people go to exercise and stay fit. In a gym, you will find treadmills, weights, exercise machines, trainers, and a lively environment to motivate you. Our final word is coffee shop. Coffee shop. Coffee shops are cozy places to enjoy coffee or tea, relax, and socialize. Inside, you'll find tables, chairs, baristas, coffee machines, and a variety of beverages and pastries. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you have learned some useful English vocabulary related to everyday places. Make sure to practice these words in your daily conversations to improve your English skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning videos. See you next time.